Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the day function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function will return the day of a date. So it's pretty simple. Let's say we are in one of these dates right here. So what it will do, it will return the day of that certain date. Also, what exactly this function will do, it will return a day between 1 and 31 because days on the month can go from 1 to 31. So it will basically return the first part of this function, which is the day. So the way this function works is pretty simple. We are going to start out with an equal sign, and then what we can do is simply write down day. And then we can open up our parentheses, and after that we need to enter our serial number or simply enter the date that we have. So right here, I'm having a date on this cell, and I can just click on enter. And just like that, I know that here it's going to be 12. So because it's 12 May 2013. Now let's say I have this date right here, and I decide to convert it into a number format. What I can do the same thing. So I'll just write down day, I open up my parentheses, and I can select my serial number. And just like that, I will be able to know that this is, well, the day function for this serial number will be 17. And if I convert it back into a long date, as you can see, here it's going to be 17 August 2005. So you can use it on a date, but you can also use it on a number format. So if, for example, here you have a serial number format, you can try to find the day of that serial number format in case that you need to do so. So we'll just do the same thing for this one right here. And just like that, I know that for this date, the day is 13. But if I change this date for example, I don't know, 950, as you can see, it will automatically say 7. So if I take this and put it in a number format for the serial number 950, the day function associated with it will be 7. So this is how you use the day function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.